how to install a Kotlin. Okay, first of all, open VS Code. Okay, I opening my VS Code like a new window. Okay, I opening my VS Code and just wait. I have run my own. Okay, so I'll create a new file like main dot git. Git means Kotlin. Okay, I'll run some function. Like hello world, and run on code runner, and you can see cd directory Kotlin main including return db main. Kotlin is not recognition into some error throw. You can see that there is some errors. Okay, first of all you need to install, go to extensions and search Kotlin and install now. That is Kotlin version, I think that is, you can install a Kotlin. Okay, and one more extension like code runner. Yes, you can see that we can install the code runner. That's two extensions. Okay, we'll go to back and run the code again. Okay, you can see that like first error and second error is same. Done extension, search like download Kotlin. Okay, download Kotlin compiler like this. You can click on it and you can see that Kotlin command line compiler. You can click on kotlin.org and you can see that some Kotlin errors. You can, yes, you can see this, and every Kotlin command line compiler. Okay, every Kotlin resolve shape with the stable version of the compiler. You download the latest version. Okay, you can click on GitHub is resolve. Okay, you can see that Kotlin 1.7.10. this is the latest version. Like my current date is 16 July 2022, and you can scrolling down and you can see Kotlin compiler 1.7.10.zip. you can download it now. Okay, I using a IDM for downloading. Almost like only 20 days available. This IDM extension is expired. Okay, you can see that IDM is a very fast download my Kotlin zip file. English is not my native language, so I practice and you can see I try to improve my English language, so don't worry. You can follow on these steps and you can install successful Kotlin in your VS. First of all, you can see only 10 seconds available and 987. You can see that my Kotlin version is downloading now. Okay, closing this window and you can see this Kotlin version is download now. I open with folder. Your VS Code. First of all, you exit your VS Code and go on this PC and go on your downloading folder. This file, open folder. You can see that this is my Kotlin file, and first of all you can extract file. Okay, you can decide it where you extract your file. Like I'm extracting in Windows C folder. I selected local C and OK, press OK, and you can see that my file is extract now. And go back, go to local C, and you can see Kotlin LIC file label is here. Okay, click, go to bin tab and copy this path. Tab on window and type path. Go on environment variable, click on path, go to edit and click on new and paste this file like Control V. You can see that, and press OK, OK and OK. Search on Windows PowerShell and run as an administrator. You can see that symbol tab Kotlin, and some wait, and you can see that our Kotlin is successfully installed on CMD. Like search CMD and open command prompt and click on Kotlin, and you can see our Kotlin is installed. Like print world, and you can see that our code is printed. Thanks for watching.